Welcome to SMEPlatforms. We are a part of Motale Systems that provides software as a service to SMEs. The three platforms that we offer at the moment are Business Manager, Project Manager, and e-commerce. So each of these platforms does basically what their names say. This video will show you an overview of the Business Manager platform. The Business Manager platform is made up of three applications. Those applications are HR, and then CRM, and accounting. Then first we're going to start with the HR system. When we click on Visit Dashboard, so this will take us to the dashboard of the HR application. When you land on the HR application, you will see a highlight of the number of employees that you have captured, the number of departments that you have, the number of designations or positions that are available in your company. And then on the right here, you see it highlights the birthdays that are to be celebrated this week. And then you can see who is out here. Will show you the number of employees that are on leave. And then about to end, this will list the employees, the contractual employees and trainees whose contracts are about to be finished. And then you can see latest announcements for HR that are made by the HR team. And then you see a calendar of my leave calendar. So this is the leave calendar for the user who's logged in. Then there at the bottom, you see the number of payslips that would have been generated at the time when you log in. Then you go there to the top, you see you have options to manage people. So this will be employees and users that can log into this HR application. You manage your payroll. You define your pay calendar, your pay runs, and you see your reports, and you can edit your items, your pay items in bulk. And then you manage your leave. So you manage your leave requests, your leave entitlements, your holidays, your policies, your calendar, and then your forward leaves. So these are leaves that have been applied for in advance. Then you go to assets. There you manage your assets. And then you manage the allocations to employees. And then there you manage the request for assets. So in other words, your employees can request assets to perform certain functions, and then you can decline or approve them there. Then there you manage the documents. So these are the documents that you might want to be uploaded on the system to keep record. Then there you manage training. So this is the training that you want your team to take. And then so you can see who's taken training, how far they are, and then how much training must still be done, stuff like that. Then you can see reports. So the reports will be the age profile of employees, your salary history, your gender profile, the years of service, head count, leave, and assets. And this will be it for the HR application. Then we go to CRM. So the CRM application, okay, let's go to it. This will show you the dashboard. The dashboard will show you the number of contacts you have. So the first item here, it shows the number of individual contacts. Here you see how many contacts you have in each life stage. And then you go to the company, the number of company contacts that you have, and then how many of the companies are in each life stage. And then there you see the schedule of tasks for today and upcoming days. And then you can see a summary of the contacts that have been added recently. So the contacts can be individual contacts or companies. And then you can view these schedules on the calendar, and then which you can filter by month, week, or day. And then these numbers here, you can see on a map at the bottom. So this will show you how many contacts you have in each area of the map. Then we go at the top, you will see you have the option to go to contacts. That's where you add your contacts, you update their details, you allocate them to specific life cycles, life stages, and you can add them to certain contact groups. We will get more into detail in another video. And then there you go to tasks. You see the tasks that have been allocated to you and the tasks that have been allocated to your team. Then you move on to reports. There you can see your activity report, your customer report, and your growth report. And that will be it for the CRM dashboard or the CRM application. And then we move on to accounting. The accounting application, it allows you to manage the finances of your company. So this will include the sales and all the transactions that you've done. So when you select these applications, you get this dashboard here. It shows you a graphical view of your income and expenses, and it shows you a summary of the accounts and the balances in each account. Then you see a summary of invoices that are payable to you, and then the bills that you need to pay. And then you can manage the users that can access this accounting application. The users can be customers, vendors, or employees. Then you can manage the transactions. You can manage your sales transactions, expense transactions, purchase transactions, and journals. You can then manage products. There you can add and update products and services. You can define product categories, and you can manage your inventory. There you go. Then you go to settings. In settings, you have chart of accounts, business accounts, tax rates, and tax payments. Then you see the reports finally. So the reports you can view here are trial balance, ledger report, income statement, sales tax, balance sheet, purchase VAT, purchase returns, sales returns, product sales, and product purchases, and there's a bit more. And then you can see your inventory report. And this is what the accounting application gives you. And that would have been the last application we overviewed in this video. The videos that follow will go into detail for each of these applications. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me a message. You can put a comment below, or you can send an email to info@smeplatforms.co.za. Thank you. Till next time.